Hello and welcome back to the Lawrenceburg Public Library. I'm Lee and today we have the STEM Family Roller Coaster. So you're going to get a kit. It's going to look just like this one. It has pipe insulation. You're going to have 12 feet total. And you can cut this to any size you want. It's cut in 6 feet lengths though, so that way you have more room to make loops. In it you're going to have an instruction sheet just like this one. And it tells you exactly what you're going to need, and you should have most of it other than a couple little things like scissors and an adult helper. I can't pack an adult in a package. And then it's going to tell you exactly how to do it on here, but you're also going to have this little sheet in your pack. And on here, you're going to scan this, and it's going to take you to a video of another librarian who's already done this exact project. And she's going to show you step by step how to do it. Now hers is going to be a little bit different than ours because everyone has their own renditions and versions, but it'll be pretty easy to follow, and you also have your instructions to have your adult helper read to help you get through it. So what you're going to do is you're going to tape these together using the tape wrapped around this little plastic piece here in this bag, and you'll tape it on the outside so that there's no bumps on the inside for the ball to roll through, and then you'll hold one end as high up as you want it, and then have the child or the adult, whoever wants to drop the ball, and it'll go down and through all the loops and stuff you made. And you can change it as many times as you want because this tape's pretty easy to just peel off and edit however you want. And if you have any questions, feel free to call down the Youth Services Department. My name's Lee, and I'll have no problem with helping you as long as I'm here. And there's also plenty of STEM books in the library if you want to come take a look to get another version of this or just some other cool ideas like this one. But I hope you guys come and get one, and I can't wait to see you guys. Bye!